In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book expenses and reimbursement of expenses in Zoho Books. If you've been trying to figure out the best way to manage your expenses effectively within the platform, then you're in the right place. To get started first, open Zoho Books and navigate to the homepage or dashboard. This is where you'll find a summary of your finances and get a quick look at your current financial standing in the system. This overview is super helpful for getting a snapshot of how your business is doing financially. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click on Settings. You can usually find this in the upper right or left corner, depending on the configuration of your dashboard. It's the place where all the magic happens in terms of setting up your preferences and managing different aspects of your finances. After accessing the settings, your next focus is on Expenses. Clicking on this option will guide you into the section dedicated to configuring how you manage and record your business expenses. It's crucial to have this set up correctly, as it directly impacts how you track your outflows and understand your financial health over time. Now, within the Expenses section, you'll want to channel your attention to the configuration options available for expenses. This is where you can define certain parameters and rules that align with how your business handles expenditures. Explaining what each option does here is essential because it helps you tailor the settings to fit your specific needs, ensuring everything's in order when booking expenses. Moving on, there's an option to choose a start date. This is particularly useful if you're implementing a new policy from a specific date or just starting to use Zoho Books at this point in time. By defining this date, you're setting the timeline for when the tracking of expenses begins, which is crucial for accurate financial reporting. In this section, you're also required to type in a mileage rate. Entering the correct rate is important, especially if your business involves a lot of travel. This allows Zoho Books to automatically calculate and reimburse mileage expenses based on distance traveled, helping you save time and maintain consistency in expense calculations. Finally, after you've configured all these options to match your business's requirements, remember to click Tadab Salma Magad. This ensures that all your settings are recorded and applied. So when you next enter an expense, everything is aligned with the parameters you've set. Don't overlook this step, or you might find yourself re-entering data that's been lost due to not saving. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your business expenses accurately and effectively within Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.